Right, I'm going to run through what I've done to just initiate mirroring because I've done it and I don't really want to turn it off. So on our SQL A instance, I've created a login for, actually this is SQL B, is it? Yeah, on SQL B we create logins and certificates for SQL A. So we create a login, create a user, and then we create a certificate for the user, which is a backup of the SQL A certificate from the SQL B server. Now to get that across onto SQL B, I couldn't copy the certificate as it was, so I had to create a copy. So that's why it's got the SQL A certificate dash copy. And then grant connect on endpoint mirroring, which we configured before to the SQL A login. Then alter the database and set partner equals 1 on SQL A. So everything on SQL B is related to that on SQL B, and then everything on SQL A is related to that on SQL B. So mirroring is now working, and I go to properties, and of the database I click mirroring, and we can see here that the principal SQL A, the mirror SQL B, and we can change operating mode from high performance, which is asynchronous, to high safety, which is synchronous, and we can also fail over from here as well. So actually I'm just going to try that. So I'm going to fail over, and we're going to say yes. So it should be now that I right click properties on Adventure Mirror. Oh, yeah, I should find, actually what will I find? There we go, that's the principal. So we failed over, mirroring, so the principal is now SQL B. Let's fail over back, say yes, refresh this, there it is, mirror, synchronizing. So let's do a test. We're going to edit the properties of this database, so let's have a look. We'll have a look at some options, and we shall change, oh, what should we do? We will just do auto update statistics. No, I'll change it. What will we do? No, auto shrink maybe? Actually, I wonder if I do I'll do an extended property. So look, mirror disk test. Poo. Click OK. So at the moment that's not going to be doing anything. I can't do anything with it because it's mirrored. So if I fail this over, properties, options, oh no, mirroring, fail over, say yes. So that will be restoring now, there we go. And this one should be the principal, there we go. Properties, was it extended properties? There we go, Oi, poo. So they're in sync. Let's just change it to high performance. So click OK. Do that as well. Fail it back. Do this all day. Oh, I've already failed it back, have I? Oh, I can only do manual failover. That's right. When I'm in high safety synchronous mode. So there you go. Click OK. Now properties, mirroring, failover, yes. There we go. So I can only do that in synchronous mode. There's also scripts for it as well. So I am all on the principal now, which is SQL A. And I'm going to fail it over. Oh, helps if I put in Adventure Mirror. There we go. So if I go here now, there it is. It has failed over. So if I run this then on SQL B, I should find it comes back. Execute that. Refresh. Now if I turn the safety off, so I turn it to high performance, then try and fail it over, it should say nah. Here we go. Because it needs to be in synchronous mode, so set it safety on. How's this working out? What's the syntax? Let's go find out. So I'm gonna go refresh this. Mirroring. So change it to that. Safety full, right. There we go. So all that's nonsense. Set safety full. Do that. So at the moment, just remember, I can't fail over because it's in high performance. Run that. Sorted. Pew. Failed over again. Refresh. Synchronize in. There we go. Mirrored. Mirroring has occurred by Griff.